So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see top 15 most important arithmetic question for your upcoming IBPS RRB clerical examination. So we will see one by one. First one, the retail price of a washing machine is rupees 1265. If the manufacturer gains 10%, the wholesale dealer gains 15% and the retailer gains 25% and the cost price of the product. So in this type of question, always story is given, but we need to consider only the percentage value, right? So I am writing here CP, what they are asking cost price, I am writing here SP, right? First one is 10% gain. What is 10% fraction value? 1 by 10. If this is 10, one gain is there, so this will be 11. Second is nothing but 15% gain. What is 15% fraction value? 3 by 20. If this is 20, 3 profit is there, so this will be 23. And third is 25% gain. What is 25% fraction value? 1 by 4. If this is 4, one gain is there, so this will be 5. Right? So now we have to cancel the common part. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So this is how much? 1600. 80 into 2, 160. This is 160. And this is how much? This is 23 into 11, 253. So retail price of a washing machine. That means this part they have given you. This part how much they have given you? 1265. This is into 5 times. This is also into 5 times. 160 into 5. What is the answer? 800 rupees, which is nothing but first option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 2. A pipe can fill a cistern in 6 hours. Due to a leak in its bottom, it is filled in 7 hours. When the cistern is full, in how much time will it be emptied by the leak? So one pipe is working, along with that leak is also working. So pipe, let us assume A can fill it in 6 hours. Along with that leak, let us assume that value is leak. So along with pipe, one leak is also working, and due to leak it is empty, it is filled in 7 hours. Okay. LCM 42. So A plus B 7. So this is 7 and this is nothing but 6. A is 7. If you substitute here, so 7 plus B is equal to 6. So B is equal to -1. Efficiency of leak is nothing but -1. When the system is full, in how much time will it be emptied by the leak? Leak will empty this 42 at the rate of 1. So what is my answer? 42 hours, which is nothing but first option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 3. Ram travels a certain distance at 3 km per hour and reaches 15 minutes late. If he travels at 4 km per hour, he reaches 15 minutes earlier. The distance he has to travel is. Now this question can be solved in many ways. One way is ratio method, but directly we can approach. Whenever late and early case is there, that means he travels 4 km, he reaches 15 minutes earlier. He travels at 3 km per hour, he reaches 15 minutes late. Whenever late and early cases is there, distance is equal to product of speed divided by difference of speed into difference in time. Right? Directly. So distance is equal to product of speed 4 and 3. 4 into 3 divided by difference of speed 4 minus 3 into difference in time. 15 minutes late and 15 minutes earlier. Time gap is 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes? Convert into hour. Half hour. So this is 12 by 2. What is the answer? 6 km. My answer is nothing but 6 km, which is second option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 4. In a mixture of 45 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 3:2. How much water to be added to make the ratio 9:11? Initial ratio of milk and water is how much? 7:2. Now, how much water should be added to make the ratio 9:11? Now, what is the ratio? 9:11. But what they are adding? Water. So, which part should be said? Milk should be said. But milk is 7 here, milk is 9 here. Multiply this one by, oh, this is 3:2. Sorry. This is 3 is to 2. Okay. So milk is 3 year, milk is 9 year. So make it same. That means multiply this one by 3. So again I am writing here ratio 9 is to 6 and this is 9 is to 11. This is my initial mixture which is 15. So 15 part how much they have given you? 45. One part is nothing but how much? 3. Now how much water should be added? How much water we are adding here? So 5 part is how much? 15 liter. My answer is nothing but second option which is 15 liter. Clear? Now we'll see question number 5. So what they have given you in question number 5? A sum was put at simple interest at a certain rate for 3 years. Had it been put at 1% higher rate, it would have fetched rupees 5100 more. What is the sum? Now whenever this type of questions will come, right? So what ultimately we have to do? We need to calculate principal. So principal is equal to fetch more. That means interest more. Difference of interest is how much? 5100. So 5100 into 100 divided by R into T. R is how much? 1% higher. T is nothing but 3 years. So 3 into 1 is 3. So 317. So what is my answer? 17 followed by 40. That is my answer, which is nothing but first option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 6. From among 36 people, one boy and one girl has to be selected. In how many ways can this be done? This is coming under permutation and combination, right? So very simple one. So how many persons you have to select now? You have to select from 36 people, you have to select one boy and one girl. First we will select any boy or girl. So how many ways we are having? 36C1 into, out of 36 people you have selected one people. Remaining how many people are there? 35. From that again you have to select one people. So this is ultimately 35 into 36. Multiplication of two consecutive number, right? Or else multiplication of even and odd number, double the odd number and half the even number. This is simple. What is 18 sevens are? 126. So what is my answer? 1260, which is nothing but first option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 7. A sum is invested for 3 years at compound interest at 5%, 10% and 20% respectively. In 3 years, if the sum amounts to rupees 16,632, find the sum. So first of all, 5%, what is fraction value? 1 by 20. 10%, what is fraction value? 1 by 10. 20%, what is fraction value? 1 by 5. So now I am writing principal, now I am writing here amount. Principal they are asking to calculate. First, if principal is 20, one increment is there, this is 21. Second, if principal is 10, one increment is there, this is 11. And third, if principal is 5, one increment is there, this is nothing but 6. So 2 3s are 2 10s are. Multiply this one 100, this is 500. And this is how much? 63 into 11, 693. This is principal, this is amount. What they have given you? Amount they have given you. That means 693 part is 16,632. What they are asking? Principal. So 500 part is how much? Right? 500 part is how much? 693 2. Is nothing but 2 are 6, 1386. 1386 you subtract. If you subtract 13 or divide this number, 693. 2 times, this is 6, 18. This is 7. This is 7. This is 2, 2. 4 times. Right? This is 4 times. So multiply this number 0, 0, 0, 12,000. Which is nothing but third option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 8. The side of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. If the perimeter is 52 centimeter, then what is the length of the smallest side? Mensuration question, right? Side of a triangle at the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. It is in fraction. Convert it into whole number. What is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? 2, 3, 6, 6 and 4, 12. So this is 6, this is 4, this is 3. This is the ratio of the side. Perimeter is 52 centimeter. What is perimeter of a triangle? Sum of all the sides. So that means 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 part is 52. 1 part is 4. Now what they are asking? Find the length of the smallest side. Smallest side is 3. So 3 part is 12 centimeter. That's it. Answer is 12 centimeter. Right? So we need to solve these questions quickly when it comes to your examination. Now we'll see question number 9. Raj sells an article at a gain of 12 by 2%. If he had sold it at rupees 22.5 more, he would have gained 25%. What is the cost price of the article? So 12.5% what is fraction value? 1 by 8. And 25% what is fraction value? 1 by 4. I am writing here CP, I am writing here SP. Initially 8 CP is there, 1 increment is there, gain, that means SP will be 9. Now CP is 4, 1 gain is there, it is 5. But CP should be same. CP is not same. Multiply this one by 2. This will be 8 is to 10. How much gain is there? 1. And how much they have given you? 22.5. Now what they are asking? CP in both the cases is 8. What is 8 part? 22.5 into 8. How much? 22.5 into 4. How much? 90. 90 into 2. 180. My answer is nothing but fourth option, which is 180. Clear? Now we'll see question number 10. A certain job was assigned to a group of men to do it in 20 days, but 12 men were absent for the job and the remaining men did the job in 32 days. The original number of men in the group was. This is coming under time and work question. Whenever work is constant, capacity ratio is inversely proportional to days ratio, right? So days is nothing but what they have given you. Initially 20 days, now 32 days, right? Now it is 32 days. So 4 5s are 4 8s are. So what about capacity? 8 is to 5. How much less? 3. And how many persons left here? 12. So 3 part is 12. 1 part is 4. Now what they are asking? Original number of men in the group was. Original number of men is how much? 8. So 8 part is how much? 32. My answer is nothing but first option. Clear? This is how quickly we have to solve, right? So now we'll see question number 11. A vessel contains liquid A and B in the ratio 5:3. If 16 liters of mixture are removed and the same quantity of liquid B is added, the ratio becomes 3:5. What quantity does the vessel hold? Right? Ratio and proportion, or I can say mixture allocation. Liquid A is to B. Is what is the ratio? 5:3. If 16 liters of mixtures are removed and the same quantity of liquid B is added, so they are removing 16 liters from the mixture and they are adding 16 liters in liquid B. So the ratio has become now 3:5. Where they are adding in liquid B, so liquid A should be same. Liquid A is 5, liquid A is 3 here. Multiply this one by 3, multiply this one by 5. So ratio will be 15:9. Ratio will be 15:25. How much they are adding liquid B? 16 liter. So how much we are adding? 16. 16 part is 16. Whenever they are removing and adding, initial mixture will be equal to final mixture. Final mixture is how much? 40. So 40 part is how much? 16 part is 16. 40 part is 40. What is my answer? Third option. C is the correct answer. Clear? Now we'll see question number 12. P alone can do a work in 40 days. The ratio of the time taken by P and Q to do the same work is 5:3. Then find in how many days both will complete the work together. Time and work question. If P can do a work in 40 days alone, time ratio of P and Q will be how much? 5:3. So what about efficiency ratio? 3:5. So 5 part is 40, 8 times. So 3 part will be 8 times. So that means cube will complete the work in 24 days. Now P days we got or time we got and Q time we got. Now what they are asking? In how many days both will complete the work together? Whenever both persons they are asking, it is nothing but T1 T2 divided by T1 plus T2. So it is 40 into 24 divided by 40 plus 24, 64. Right? 8 3s are 8 8s are 8 5s are. What is the answer? 15 days is the correct answer, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 13. A train having speed of 72 km per hour crosses a pole in 18 seconds and a platform in 33 seconds. Find the length of the platform. So a train having a speed of 72 km per hour crosses a pole in 18 seconds. Options are in meter. So we need to convert speed into meter per second. That means kilometer per hour into meter per second. How? Multiply this one by 5 by 18. So this is 20 meter per second. So speed of a train, and whenever train is crossing a pole, what is the distance covered by the train? Length of the train itself. That means this is 20 is equal to length of the train divided by time, 18 seconds. So length of the train is 20 into 18, 360 meter. Right? Find the length of platform. That same train is crossing again a platform. So whenever train is crossing a platform, what is the distance covered by the train? Length of the train plus length of the platform. So speed of a train is 20, length of the train is 360 plus length of the platform, and what is the time here? 33 seconds. Cross multiplication, 660 minus 360 is equal to length of platform. So length of platform is equal to how much? 300 meter, which is nothing but second option. Clear? Now we will see question number 14. The total number of students in two schools A and B is 990. If the number of students of school A is decreased by 5% and number of students of school B is increased by 14%, the number of students of two schools will become equal. The ratio of the number of students in school A and B. So in this question, this 900 is not having any importance because they are asking to calculate the ratio only. So 5% decrement is there and 14% increment is there. If you decrease anything by 5, it is 100 minus 5, so 95%. 95% of A is equal to here increase by 14% in B. If you increase anything by 14%, it is 100 plus 14. So 114% of B. So percent and percent will go 19 6 are 19 5s are. So what is A is to B? Reverse this number. 6 is to 5. 6 is to 5, that is nothing but second option. Clear? Come to question number 15. A sum of money becomes 3 times in 5 years. In how many years will the same sum become 6 times at the same rate of simple interest? Very important question when it comes to the examination. A sum of money becomes 3 times in 5 years. I am saying that my principal is 1. It has become 3 times. That means 3 times will be amount. So this is principal, this is amount. Then what about simple interest? Amount minus principal. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 in how many years? 5 years. Now they are saying that in how many years will the same sum become 6 times at the same rate of simple interest? Same principal will become 6 times. So here SI will be 5. So 5 in how many years? This is the question. So 2.5. So 2.5 into 5, what is the answer? 12.5 years, which is nothing but second option. So I hope you have understood how we have solved this particular 15 questions in this particular video. So please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel and do press the bell icon for further updates and videos, and share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. So those who are having examinations on 14th of August, please do concentrate more on simplification, missing number series, wrong number series, quadratic equation, DI, you will be having tabular or bar graph DI, and then you have to concentrate somewhat more in arithmetic questions or statement sum. So prepare well, all the best, thanks a lot.